Hello all, Jamie Rodgers here for Creative Expressions, and today we are looking at a top tip with glossy glazes. We have just brought out 6 brand new bright shades. Now these are incredible because we can do so many more techniques because they're so highly coloured. So one of the techniques we're going to do is we're going to work on some bright white cardstock and we're just going to paint some stripes. So I'm starting off with the Curious Blue. Now although this is a texture paste, as you can see it's a very jelly medium, so it's quite easy to paint with. They are also water based, so if you wanted to water them down and apply them as a thinner covering, you could do that as well. The colours for the background I'm creating at the moment, I'm purposely trying to overlap them and create new shades. So when this is dry, we're going to see more shades appear in it than we're actually adding in. I've also added in Heritage Red, and I'm now going in with Orange Flame just to complete my colours. So just as a recap, we've got Heritage Red, Orange Flame and Curious Blue, but as you can see we've got that lovely green appearing in the middles there. We've got some darker oranges, even some darker pinks being created as the colours mix. This is the panel dry. Once the panels are dry, add more to them if you wish. So this is a stencil that's been laid over the top and I've stippled over it with some black ink. These pastes will also dry on non-porous surfaces, so if you wanted to do this on mirror card as I am now, or maybe onto acetates, glossy cards, bits like that, you absolutely could be as well. For this one so far I've used the colours of Orange Flame and Parisian Purple. I'm now going in with some Fuchsia Pink to complete my set. Being mirror card, this will of course dry and the mirror will shine through underneath it. So any of the places where the glaze isn't too thick, you're going to get a real lovely mirror finish shine through underneath that texture. This will dry with a bit of a grain to it that's created by the brush strokes, which again I think gives your project a whole new lease of life. These panels can also be die cut because this is a very durable product, so if you wanted to die cut it or even score it and fold it, you won't find that the pastes will crack, whether that's for a stencil or as we have here painted with them. This is another one done on mirror card and then I've stippled over the top for a stencil with a stays on ink. All of the products we have looked at today are available from all good Creative Expressions stockists. Thanks for watching.